So we'll get on our hands and knees and we're going to do the cat camel. So we're going to round our back and then extend, emphasizing the upper back or the thoracic spine. We'll do 6 reps in this position, and you may need to limit the range of motion initially and then work into tolerance. Sometimes it helps in this extended position to push your shoulder blades down towards your hips. Now we'll do some rotations. So put one hand behind your head and rotate up towards the ceiling, pressing down into the floor with the opposite arm. From there, we'll switch sides and do the opposite direction. Again, same cue. Make sure the movement is coming from your upper back, not your lower back. Now you'll need to lay on the ground with your arms to your side, and you're going to try to squeeze your shoulder blades together and then lift your body up with your upper back to as high as you can do comfortably, and then release. Again, squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your body or extend your upper back towards the ceiling, making sure to minimize any movement in your low back. If your low back is getting tight, you're using it too much and you need to really focus on using your upper back.